or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more new videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. We are doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup today, and all the products I'm pretty sure are under $20, so very affordable. If you've been here for a little bit, you know I'm absolutely obsessed with this primer, so that's what we're using. e.l.f. makeup is like one of the best drugstore brands out there, so I highly recommend them. There's nothing to complain about when it comes to e.l.f. For foundation, we're gonna do the Hello Glow foundation. The glow is amazing. I love the glow. She's gorgeous. She's glowy. She's luminescent. For concealer, we're obviously gonna use the Camo Concealer. This stuff is so good. Makes the skin very hydrated. Contour setting, it's gonna be the Hello Glow Wand. My only complaint about this is there's not a lot of product. I know it's tiny, but like the product is tiny too. I don't even think they should this too long. This thing is too good to not have that much product in. So there's pulp in it now that oh, it's hot. Highlighter is not bad. It's pretty what am I paying you money for? I don't have e.l.f. mascara, so we're just gonna raw dog it like this. But it looks pretty good. If you do have e.l.f. mascara, use that. But unfortunately, I don't. So I've actually never used a mascara before, so I'm gonna have to give it a try. But this is the look for my lips. I'm gonna do one of the e.l.f. Summer Friday dupes. This is Yummy Gummy. It's really pretty. I like it. It's it smells really, really good and goes on the lips really smooth. This is the makeup look for today, and once again, e.l.f. absolutely ate down. I look so good. Like, I actually look so good, and I'm loving this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.